If you are using Matrice 200 for the first time, then you will need to activate your aircraft. Connect your mobile device to a remote controller with a USB cable. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Ensure that your mobile device is connected to the internet. You will need to activate your aircraft when connecting to DJI Go 4 the first time. Tap Next and name your Matrice 200. Tap Continue and set a control mode. The default stick mode is Mode 2. You can set a customized mode under remote controller settings after activation. Tap Continue and select your preferred unit and video output standard. Tap Continue to log into your DJI account. Please note that the account you use to activate your aircraft cannot be changed after activation. The aircraft's information will be bound to your account permanently. Your account will serve as proof of your warranty when you apply for services. Tap Activate. After your aircraft has been activated successfully, if a new firmware is available, a new firmware update is available notification will be shown on your DJI Go 4 app. Tap the notification to enter the firmware update screen. Thank you for watching.